Today I will show you the most famous TradingView indicators for day trading. So before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Go to Indicators tab and search for Hull Suite, and you will see indicator from the InSilico. Click at your chart, and for the second indicator, this time go to Community Scripts, click to top section, and you will see the first one, Squeeze Momentum indicator from the LazyBear. Click at your chart. As you can see that this is the most famous one in the whole TradingView universe. It got 82,000 likes from the users. So now you will be like that also. Let's talk about the rules, and there are two rules. First one is signal, second one is confirmation. So for the signal we need to get green or red from the Hull Suite, and this time we get green. And for the confirmation we need to get green or red from the squeeze momentum indicator. Again green we got, so this means that it's good to go. You can enter long position. So after you enter the long position, you will keep your position until you get red from the Hull Suite indicator, and which is like here. And this position gave us 2.7% pure profit, and it just nice and easy one. So for the stop loss, we will put our stop loss to the recent support line as always, because this is my favorite stop loss strategy. And as you see here, it's a clear entrance and exit. But this was a good example. I know that some of you criticizing me that I cherry picking my positions all the time. But here is the thing. For the indicators, it cannot be happen 100% accuracy. So of course there are some times that you will lose money, but as long as you keep your stop loss tight and like me, there is no problem. Even you got 70% accuracy, it's a great thing. You will grow your account like maybe 100% in just 1 month if you keep consistently trading and follow your rules. So let's take a look at another example. We got red from the Hull Suite again, and we got red from the confirmation indicator. This means that we can enter short position, right? Let's see. We entered here and we carry our position until we see the green from the Hull Suite, and we got 2.6% pure profit. So where we will put our stop loss in this example? Very easy. You will put your stop loss to the recent resistance line like here, and if price hits that, you will out of the position. That's it. This is the rule. Now I would like to take you to the live trading, and let's see what we will make there. We are now live trading. We are waiting for opportunity to come to us. Don't rush yourself. You know the rules. Let's see what we will take to home today. We are waiting for buy signal, and we got buy signal from the Hull Suite, and momentum indicator confirmed us, which means that we can enter long position here from my mark position, and let's continue where we will exit. And before we continue, I have put my stop loss here because it's a recent support line. If we hit that, we out of the position. Wow, this was a great position. Let's see that how much we make. We made 2.8% pure profit, and it was amazing trade. Congratulations to us. And you see that it's very easy to use. Just follow your rules and do not change your stop loss. That was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, see you soon.